Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Nurjana. I'm from Surya Kancana University, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, majoring in Indonesian Language and Literature Education. Today, I want to share a topic that's very close to our daily life, tips and tricks to help you sleep earlier and better. I hope what I share today can be helpful for all of us. Have you ever gone to bed at 9 p.m. but didn't actually fall asleep until midnight or even later? I used to deal with that a lot. Even when I felt sleepy, I'd end up on my phone scrolling social media, watching TikTok, checking messages, and suddenly it's midnight. The result, waking up late, feeling dizzy, and being in a bad mood all day. But now, I've learned to fall asleep earlier and wake up feeling fresher. In this video, I'm going to share simple tips and tricks that I personally tried to help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. But first, let's talk about why sleeping earlier is so important. Why sleeping early matters? Sleep is one of the key foundations for our health and productivity. Getting enough sleep helps us stay focused, emotionally stable, and avoid getting sick easily. According to the American Sleep Association, sleeping before 10 p.m. helps our body enter the deep sleep phase, the time when true recovery happens. I used to wake up at 9 or 10 a.m. and still feel tired, and I realized it's not just about how long we sleep, but also when we start sleeping. Okay, now let's get into the part you've been waiting for, the tip and trick to fall asleep earlier and sleep better. These are all tips I've set myself and they're super easy to follow. Let's go! Tip 1. Put away your phone or laptop at least 1 hour before bed. This is the most common issue for many people, including me. One big reason I used to stay up late was scrolling TikTok or watching YouTube before bed. Even when my eyes were tired, my brain stayed active. Now I try to put my phone far from my bed and listen to calming instrumental music instead. At first, it felt weird, but after a week, my body started to relax more easily. Next, tip 2. Create a bedtime routine. Another trick that really works for me is having bedtime routines. I used to just go to bed without doing anything special. Now, I wash my face, drink warm water, and spray lavender aromatherapy before sleeping. That routine kind of sends a signal to my body that says, okay, it's time to sleep. Many people forget how small routine can have our body recognize when it's time to rest. Next, tip 3, dim the light starting at 8 p.m. Next, a small but powerful trick is lighting. When your room is too bright, your brain thinks it's still daytime. I usually start dimming the lights at 8 p.m. Sometimes I turn on a warm yellow night light to create a calmer atmosphere. It's such a simple change, but it makes my room feel more relaxing. Next, tip 4. Avoid coffee, sweet tea, or heavy meals at night. This one's important too, especially if you love a late night snack. From my own experience, I used to drink sweet iced tea or eat instant noodles around 9 p.m. But it made my heart race and made it harder to fall asleep. Now, I stop caffeine after 4 p.m. and switch to snacks like banana or just warm water. Next, tip 4. Calm your mind before bed. And lastly, this tip is for those who tend to overthink before sleeping. Sometimes we can't sleep not because our body is tired, but because our mind is too busy. I often overthink about assessments, life drama, or random worries. Now is practice the 4-7-8 breathing method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. It's really helps me relax and release stress before bed. So, those are some simple tips and tricks that I've tried myself. It doesn't work overnight, but once it becomes a habit, your body will adjust. Now, I sleep around 8 or 9 p.m. and wake up in the morning feeling fresh. If you're having similar struggles, try 1 or 2 tips first over time. Your sleep pattern will naturally improve. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Let's start sleeping earlier tonight and wake up feeling refreshed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends who also have trouble sleeping, and leave a comment if you have your own tips to share. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye bye.